Good morning, good morning. It's Wednesday morning, 7 o'clock, some minutes to 7. Welcome to Maureen Bugs channel. You have a nice day. Please subscribe, share, comment. Let me know you are here. We are in the same place at a different time. Not too long ago, we had a different nature. And now we are on another time. The sky is blue. The sun is there. Let me shine it in your eyes. And you see, we have a different nature. No pink trees, no white snow. The birds are singing. It's warm. And it's in the morning, it's gonna even be warmer. The trees have woken up. They are charging for the summer. Until we get this apple tree. The one here. This one is an apple tree, this one. So soon there will be apples. Good morning. I just wanted to update you on what is happening on our compound. As usual, there is nobody. There are no people. But soon there will be out children going to school. I'm going to town. Yes. Here, there, that one. The dove. Ooh, 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 ooh. Have a good one. Subscribe. Share, comment. This will be another nature. In 6 months, we'll be showing something else here. Have a good day. And subscribe. Bye.